Gophers, moles, voles, they are cute. But as gardeners, they are not our friends. I'm sorry to tell you. They will come in overnight and just eat the roots of our rose bushes, other flowers, other plants, vegetable crops. They will come in and just destroy everything. There are ways to get rid of them, but they multiply so quickly. The best way to protect your rose bushes against gophers is by creating a gopher basket. We build these here. We have thousands of roses, and we try to get every one of those, especially when they're younger, into a gopher basket. We use poultry netting. You can also, for large rolls, stucco netting. It's similar. We use 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch. Sometimes an inch might be a little too big. The gophers can get in there, which we don't want, but anything is better than nothing. So in this video, I will show you how to build your own gopher basket. You can buy them online. If you have 1 or 2 bushes, maybe do that. It might be cheaper, but if you have quite a few bushes, then I highly recommend just building your own. It's fun, you learn. About gopher baskets, they will rust. They will rust. They usually last 5-6 years, but hopefully by then your plants have more of an opportunity to grow. The roots get really big and expand, and you'll notice before the gopher has any chance to do any damage at that time. For younger plants, I really recommend to get them in a gopher basket if possible. We definitely prefer a netting like this over something. This is a roll of hardware cloth, which is very tiny, but it might impede with the growth of the root. But having the opportunity for the roots to expand through this netting is going to be much better for the rose bush. One thing I'd recommend is leave, 3, 4, 5 inches of netting above the soil, and that way you can fold it over and around the base of the rose bush. Gophers can get in from the top, but if you secure it a little more, there's less of a chance of them coming in from over the top. So this one is 3 feet wide, and what we're going to do is we're going to take it. We have some nails into our table that will help hold the netting while we cut it. We also have a mark out here that is just a little under 3 feet long. It's about 32 inches. And then once we find that mark, we're just going to come to the other side and start cutting. All right. Now that we have our sheet, we're going to be able to use this to make 2 baskets. And what we do is we'll take the sides with the lines that we cut from, and we're going to fold it over. Fold it over end to end. Find this crease here. Find the crease down here. And then that's where we're going to cut to get our 2 baskets. Just start cutting from the bottom. Now we have 2 baskets. So we're going to take the sides that were cut, we're going to fold them over, and then go about overlap between maybe 1 or 2 rows, and just start overlapping, bending these in, weaving them over the side. I highly recommend wearing gloves because you do not want to get stuck with the ends of this metal. It is kind of like a rose thorn. It's very sharp. All right. Now you have the outside of the basket. Next we're going to take this end, not the nice end, but the cut end. We're going to form 2 triangles on either side, overlapping a little bit in the middle. Once you get that done, you can fold it over, wrap it a present for the roses. Fold it over. I have a piece of wood that I use, flatten it out, make it a little better. And there you go. Basket for the roses. An inexpensive way to protect the roses from gophers, from moles, any pests that want to take at those roots. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to comment below in the blog. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.